Jai Hind friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the online lecture series of Business Management. Myself, Assistant Professor Mr. V.R. Vadekar from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication from Matoshi College of Engineering and Research Center, Nasik, affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. We are studying Basics of Business Management. So let's start with our today's video. Starting our today's lecture, let's have a quick revision. In last lecture, we have studied the forms of organization. We have studied sole proprietorship, partnership, what is joint stock company, public limited, private limited, and we have studied PSUs. Today we are going to see the last concept of this module is globalization. Globalization, it is the spread of products, technology, information, jobs and cultures across national borders. In economic terms, it describes an independence of nations around the globe fostered through free trade. It helps countries attract foreign investment, which helps in economic growth. It allows good and innovative companies to extend their market for their products, which results into their growth and development. It results into more investment that generates more employment in a country. Imagine for a moment that you run a business that produces mobiles. So how would globalization impact your company? Well, the impact of globalization on your business, it can be placed into two broad categories: market globalization and product globalization. Well, market globalization is the decline in barriers to selling in countries other than the home country. This change will make it easier for your company to begin selling product internationally, since lower tariffs keep consumer price lower and fewer restrictions when crossing borders makes it easier for a company to enter a foreign market. It also means that companies must consider other countries, other cultures when developing their business strategies and potentially adjust the product and marketing messages if they are not appropriate in the target company. As like, this may not be issue in the mobile industry, but a hamburger, KFC, pizza, all food industries, entering in India would definitely need to revisit their products, their recipes, strategies to be successful. And talking about a product globalization, it is the sourcing of materials and services from other countries to gain advantage from price differences in different nations. For example, you might purchase materials and components for your cameras or mobiles from multiple countries and then assemble the product in yet another international location to reduce your cost of production. This change should lead to lower prices for consumer since product costs less to produce. It also impacts jobs since production may shift from one country to another and usually from more developed countries to less developed countries with lower average wage rates. Now, talking about the benefits of globalization, attract foreign investment. So it helps countries attract foreign investment, which helps in their economic growth. It also allows good and innovative companies to extend their market for their products, which results into their growth and development. It results into more investment that generates more employment in a country. It also offers the consumers a variety of products with better quality and reasonable price. It also allows a regular exchange of people, ideas, technology, and culture between countries, creating a better understanding. Now, what are the positive effect of globalization? Well, globalization encourages each country to specialize in what it produces best using the least amount of resources, known as your comparative advantage. This concept, makes production more efficient, promotes economic growth, lower prices of goods and services, making them more affordable, especially for lower income households. Next, scaled up business. Large markets enable companies to reach more customer and get a higher return on the fixed cost of doing businesses like building factories or conducting any research. So technology firms have taken special advantage of their innovation this way. Third, it is the availability of better quality and variety. So competition from abroad, it drives firms to improve their product. Consumers have better products and more choices as a result. Innovation. Expanded trade, it spread the technology, innovation, and the communication of ideas. The best ideas from market leaders, it spread more easily. Now, talking about the negative effect of globalization. Well, the general complaint about globalization is that it has made the rich richer while making the non rich poorer. So, it is a wonderful for managers, owners, and investors, but hell on workers and nature. The biggest problem for developed countries is that jobs are lost and transferred to lower cost countries. So, we have studied what is globalization, nothing but the free movement of goods, services, and people across the world in a seamless and integrated manner. Then we have seen what are the benefits of globalization, what are its positive effect and the negative effect of globalization. So here it is a end of module 1. This is the assignment that you need to submit it to my email address. So thank you very much students for being with us.